Well, I'm out here at the 50-yard range with our Brazilian model 1908/34 in 30-06 caliber. I'll do a video describing the gun in detail, but I'm just out here putting some rounds down. This is not my gun. Somebody gave it to me to check out and clean up for them. And the gun was not stored well over the years. I had one of these years ago. It was like in mint condition. But I'm going to put some rounds down range just to see how it shoots. Action works fine, gun shoots smoothly. Oh, this metal thing keeps getting in the way. Alright. Maybe I'll load her up and do 5 more, but action, even though it was not stored well, cleaned up and oiled, smooth as glass, the bore's pretty good. Basically that's why I'm shooting it, is to clean all the crud out of it. The sights are set for, I believe, 100 yards. So even here at 50 or 100, you're pretty much right on. You're not shooting high or anything. Matter of fact, you know what? Let's go down and take a look at what I've done so far. Okay. I was sighting in, not really carrying these here. But once I settled down and started shooting, kind of aiming here, maybe I'll take a little care. We're a little high and a couple to the right, which could have been me. 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. So I'm going to see if I change my point and aim a little and get them down there in the center of that diamond. Okay, we're going to try to squeeze them off. Change our point and aim a little bit. This one. Go check that out. Alright, that one cartridge was a light strike. I don't know, this gun had to be cleaned. The sights are fairly well right on. Not bad. Pretty robust, reliable gun, even though it was kind of neglected. But Let's go take a look at our target. Okay, I tried to adjust my other string of 5, like down here. Then I went back to aiming a little to the right here, and it still climbed up a bit. That's what? 1, 2, 3, 4 inches high, say, at 50 yards, 4 to 6. Not too terrible, so you could get this one on the paper. Maybe with some ammo kind of tuned to it. And I got to clean that bore out and make sure the bore doesn't have any rust in it. There's like cosmoline and dust that wouldn't come out, but I think I burned it all out now. It's an interesting rifle. If you have a chance to pick one up and it's in good shape, they're a nice Mauser style gun in .30-06. Very popular caliber.